My name is Fogle. I'm a lead mobility system specialist, and Coca-Cola Bottling Company Consolidated runs SAP Syclo. Well, I work with Coca-Cola Bottling Company Consolidated. We're actually the largest independent bottler in the U.S. right now. The Coca-Cola company, they sell the syrup and do a lot of the marketing. All the other bottlers will take the syrup and then they'll manufacture the product. I manage a lot of the systems that handle all of the communications between the handhelds and the back-end systems. When we looked at how do we choose a vendor to provide a mobile solution to our SAP backend, we had to go through and decide what's going to provide that business value, what makes sense from a technology perspective, and Syclo seemed to be a perfect fit. The biggest need that we had when we first brought Syclo in, the Coca-Cola company, they came to us and told us, we're going to stop putting human-readable text on our barcodes. So we had to figure out real quick how to automate that process and make it mobile. Part of our mobility strategy is to try to centralize on one standard mobile enterprise application platform. It's really going to reduce a lot of cost in the long run. It's going to be a lot easier to manage. You know that your data is going to be intact. Data integrity has got to be the most important thing. The biggest highlight and success factor from the implementation is probably our speed to market. We did the whole implementation in under 8 weeks. One of the most important things is that we partnered with a very knowledgeable vendor, Energy for You, and they understood our system and how it worked, and then they understood a lot of the business workflow. So we were able to capitalize on that knowledge as we're receiving all of our inventory, and we actually use Syclo Inventory Manager to receive our concentrate and raw materials. And then once we actually have all of our products made, then we're putting them in the warehouse. We're using a mobility product to track that in the warehouse. It really provides them a lot quicker way to do inventory, because as they're scanning inventory, if they're missing an item, they can actually go back right away and check and see if it's there. So it's a much more real-time process. For a salesman, I don't want them to have to come back to the office to spend 2 hours working on a desktop. I'd rather them be able to do their job remotely out in the field. Even our sales guys all have iPads and they're using mobility to sell to their customers. The best thing that's come out of this project with SAP and Syclo is that we have developed a good partnership that's going to lead us to a better place down the road, where it's going to allow us to run more efficiently, to run better, to run faster. I'd say I'd aspire to be a CIO one day. SAP Syclo helps Coca-Cola Bottling Company Consolidated run better.